The degree symbol is a typographical symbol that is used, among other things, to represent degrees of arc, hours, degrees of temperature, alcohol proof, or diminished quality in musical harmony. The symbol consists of a small raised circle, historically a zero-glyph. In Unicode it is encoded at U+00B0 degrees degree sign. History. The first known recorded modern use of the degree symbol in mathematics is from 1569, where the usage seems to show that the symbol is a small raised zero, to match the prime symbol notation of sexagesimal subdivisions of degree such as minute, second, and tertia, which originates as small raised Roman numerals. Typography. In the case of degrees of arc, the degree symbol follows the number without any intervening space. In the case of degrees of temperature, 3 scientific and engineering standards bodies prescribe printing temperatures with a space between the number and the degree symbol, as in 10 degrees Celsius. However, in many works with professional typesetting, including scientific works published by the University of Chicago Press or Oxford University Press, the degree symbol is printed with no spaces between the number, the symbol, and the Latin letters C or F representing Celsius or Fahrenheit, respectively. This is also the practice of the University Corporation for Atmospheric Research, which operates the National Center for Atmospheric Research. Though not recommended, use of the degree symbol without a following Latin letter is done so without a space between the number and symbol. This is considered more acceptable if the standard of temperature is not known, but it is recommended in this case that the full word, rather than the symbol for degrees, be used. Use of the degree symbol to refer to temperatures measured in kelvins was abolished in 1967 by the 13th General Conference on Weights and Measures. Therefore, the triple point of water, for instance, is correctly written today as simply 273.16 K. The SI fundamental temperature unit is now Kelvin, and no longer degree Kelvin. Encoding. The degree sign is included in Unicode as U+00B0 degrees degree sign. For use with Chinese characters, there are also code points for U+2103 degrees Celsius and U+2109 degree Fahrenheit. The degree sign was missing from the basic 7-bit ASCII set of 1963, but in 1987 the ISO IEC 8859 standard introduced it at position 0xb0 in the Latin 1 variant. In 1991 the Unicode standard incorporated all of the Latin 1 code points, including the degree sign. The Windows code page 1252 was also an extension of the Latin 1 standard, so it had the degree sign at the same code point. The code point in the older DOS code page 437 was 0xf8. Lookalikes. Other characters with similar appearance but different meanings include U+00B a masculine ordinal indicator, U+02D a modifier letter ring above U+030 a ring above U+0325 ring below, U+309C katakana hiragana semi-voiced sound mark, U+309 a combining katakana hiragana semi-voiced sound mark, U+2070 superscript 0, U+2218 ring operator. Keyboard entry. Some computer keyboard layouts, such as the QWERTZ layout, is used in Germany, Austria and Switzerland, and the AZDRTY layout, as used in France and Belgium, have the degree symbol available directly on a key, but the common keyboard layouts in English-speaking countries do not include the degree sign, which then has to be input some other way. The method of inputting depends on the operating system being used.
On the Cole Mac keyboard layout, one can press Alt+, followed by D to insert a degree sign. With Microsoft Windows, there are several ways to make the degree symbol. Note: 0176 is different from 176. Alt+176 produces the light shade character. Note: the numlock must be set first on full-size keyboards. The numeric keypad must be used on laptops without a numerical keypad. The virtual numeric keypad must be used. The character map tool also may be used to obtain a graphical menu of symbols. The US International English keyboard layout creates the degree symbol with Alt+, Shift+. In Microsoft Office and similar programs, there is often also an insert menu with an insert symbol, a symbol command that brings up a graphical palette of symbols to insert, including the degree symbol. In WordPerfect, pressing Ctrl+W brings up lists of special characters. In the Mac OS operating system, the degree symbol can be entered by typing Alt+Shift+8. One can also use the Mac OS character palette, which is available in many programs, by selecting special characters from the Edit menu, or from the Input menu icon on the menu bar. In iOS, the degree symbol is accessed by pressing and holding 0 and dragging your finger to the degree symbol. This procedure is the same as entering diacritics on other characters. In LaTeX, the packages Gensumba text comp that provides the commands degree or text degree, respectively. In the absence of these packages, one can write the degree symbol as !circ in math mode. In other words, it is written as the empty circle glyph, circ as a superscript. In Linux operating systems such as Ubuntu, this symbol may be entered via the compose key followed by O. Some keyboard layouts print this symbol upon pressing Alt+, Shift+, O, and in programs created by GTK+, one can enter Unicode characters in any text entry field by first pressing Ctrl+, Shift+, U+, Unicode, regardless of keyboard layout. For the degree symbol, this is done by entering Ctrl+, Shift+, Sub-0.